Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class I am going to solve some more problems from determinant. So let us start the topic. If our first problem is if dj is equal to j a n into n plus 1 by 2, j square b n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6, j q c n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4, then prove that j is equal to 1 to n, dj is equal to 0. So let us start to prove this. We have j is equal to 1 to n, dj is equal to d1 d2 plus dn. This is equals to 1a n into n plus 1 by 2 1 square b n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 1 q c n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 plus, taking j is equal to 1, I have written the first determinant, plus this is 2 square 2q a b c n into n plus 1 by 2 n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6 n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Taking j is equal to 2, I have written d2. Then plus plus dn will be n square nq a b c n into n plus 1 by 2 n into n plus 1 by 2 n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6, then n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So we have expanded this d1, d2, dn, and I have written the values. So after that we'll get this is equals to 1 plus 2 plus plus n 1 square 2 square up to n square. This will be 1q 2q plus nq, and this second column n into n plus a b c, and this is n into n plus 1 by 2 n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6. This is n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. I have taking the addition of all the nth determinant, only the first column, this one will be added, so everything will remain as such. Now we know this value, this addition will give you n into n plus 1 by 2. This one will be n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is n square, n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. And this will be A, B, C. This is n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6, n square, n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. We know the sum of natural numbers 1, 2 up to n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of squares of natural number is n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. The sum of cubes of n natural number is n square, n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So this is equals to 0 as column 1 is equal to column 2. So the problem is solved. The first problem we have solved. Let us proceed to solve the second problem. Here P not is equal to A, Q not is equal to B, R not is equal to C, and a P, B, C, A, Q, C, A, B, R equal to 0. We have to show that this is equals to 2. Let delta is equal to P, B, C, A, Q, C, A, B, R. This is the determinant, and which is equal to 0. Now replacing R1 minus R3 and R2 minus R3 will get this value. This will give R1 is replaced by R1 minus R3. So P minus A, this is B minus B 0, C minus R. This is the second is R2 minus R3, I minus A 0. This is Q minus B. This is C minus R. And the third row will remain as such. So we will get this determinant after applying R1 replaced by R1 minus R3, R2 replaced by R2 minus R3, we get this determinant. From this determinant, we can take common from first column P minus A, second column Q minus B, third column C minus R. So if we take this common, so we'll get, this will give 1, 0, A by A, P minus A. The second one is 0. We have taken Q minus B common, B. This will be B by A, Q minus B. And the third one is 1 R by A, C minus R. We got it. So let us have a change here. Let us take R minus C common. So we get -1, and this will be R minus C. So we get this result. Now let us expand this determinant P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C by taking first row. So this is 1, this will be 1 minus 1, B by Q minus B, R by R minus C, 1, 0 into, then minus 1. So we have here 0, 1, A by P minus A, B by A, Q minus B. So we are expanding this determinant, taking first row. So we are taking 1, its cofactor will be 1 minus 1, B by Q minus by B, R by A, R minus C. Then minus 0, plus of minus 1. So this is 0, 1, A by P minus A, B by Q minus B. Now we get this is equals to P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C. This will be R by R minus C minus minus plus B by Q minus B minus, this will be 0 and this is minus A by P minus A. So we get this value after expansion of this. So this is equals to, this will be P minus A, Q minus B, P minus A, this is Q minus B, R minus C, and this will be R by R minus C, B by Q minus B, plus A by A, P minus A. So we get this value. And this is equals to 0 given, because the determinant equal to 0 given. So then we get, this implies R by R minus C, B by Q minus B, A by P minus A is equal to 0, because here P not is equal to A, Q not is equal to B, R not is equal to C. So this implies A by P minus A, B by Q minus B, R by R minus C is equal to 0. So now this implies A by P minus A plus 1, B by Q minus B plus 1, R by R minus C is equal to 2, because we have added 1, 1 in the left hand side. So after addition, this will be P by P minus A, Q by Q minus B, R by R minus C is equal to 2. Proof. So the second problem is now proved. So let us proceed for the third one. Now let us prove the third problem. If x, y, z are all different and x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, 1 plus x cube, 1 plus y cube, 1 plus z cube is equal to 0. Prove that x, y, z is equal to minus 1. We have x, x square 1 plus x cube, y square 1 plus y cube, z square 1 plus z cube is equal to 0. It is given. So this can be written as x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, 1, 1, 1. Plus, we can write x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, x cube, y cube, z cube is equal to 0 we are getting. Now, let us replace first column with the second, let us replace second column with the third column. So we'll get minus of x, y, z, 1, 1, 1, x square, y square, z square. And here let us take x from common from first row, y common from second row, z common from third row. We'll get 1 x square, 1 we'll get 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square is equal to 0. Now, again let us exchange the first column with the second column. Then we will get a minus minus plus. It will be 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, x square, y square, z square. Here it will be x, y, z, 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, x square, y square, z square is equal to 0. So we have got this result. So if you clearly observe, you can take common 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square. So this determinant is the common we can take, and this is this expression. So this 1 x y z, and if we will expand this determinant, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x is equal to 0. So this gives us 1 plus xyz is equal to 0, as x, y, z are all different. It is given. So this implies x, y, z is equal to minus 1. And so we got the answer. This is the last part of my class. So I have completed today's topic. I will meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, thank you.